Will AI rule over the humans or will AI destroy humans? Well, some of you were sharing the news about the humanoid robot Sophia and Facebook's bots Alice and Bob as they feel AI is dangerous to human lives. Let's talk about the rumors and facts behind it. Hey AI enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. This is Neha Atara, a computer engineer, and today we are going to talk about truth behind Facebook's AI Alice and Bob, the chatbots, and about the Sophia, human-like robot. So it was 2017. Quora was flooded with the questions such as why Facebook shut down its own AI. Was it because the chatbot Alice and Bob had gone astray after inventing their own language? For those who don't know about Alice and Bob, in 2017, Facebook had developed two chatbots named Alice and Bob, the agents to negotiate, but suddenly they started making independent conversation. The Facebook engineers found something weird when the chatbots were seen negotiating. Okay, let me first show you the bots conversation transcription. Facebook's AI group confirmed that in their joint report, the agents Alice and Bob was made with the intention to make the agents effectively negotiate, but it went wrong. As you can see in the transcript, they continuously speak to me, to me, to me, which has no meaning and looks creepy to anyone reading the transcription. So let me tell you what most of the contents and answers on Quoras were responding about Alice and Bob that they have made their own independent languages and they will destroy humans now. Like everyone got so worried. However, truth is very different from it. AI had never actually invented any new language. The neural networks had simply modified the human language with an intention of making the interactions more efficient. That means the neural network where Facebook engineers were working on modification of human language so that interactions can be more efficient. In their pursuit of knowledge transfer, the bots began conversing back and forth in a derived shorthand manner, which looked very creepy. It is now clear that it was a human error that couldn't train the bots to communicate following the English language rules. Facebook did not shut down its AI research program not because the bots were terror to us, but because Facebook lost interest and put the project on hold. But you know what, guys? Still, some tech pages on Instagram are violating this without revealing the truth behind it. I don't know what they are getting by doing such things. So, this was it about Alice and Bob, the chatbots. It was just a programmer's end error, nothing else. Not to worry about it. Now let's move on to the Sophia, an almost human robot or a PR stunt. To understand Sophia, it's important to understand its creator, David Hansen. He is the founder and CEO of Hansen Robotics, but he hasn't always been a major figure in the field of AI. He worked for Walt Disney as an Imagineer, creating sculptures and robotics technology for theme parks and then getting his PhD in aesthetic studies. Back in 2005, he co wrote a research paper on this vision for the future of robotics, and the thesis sounds a lot like what's going on with Sophia, the robot. Hansen says AI developers have to think like parents. He wants to raise AGI like a good child, not like things in chains. That's the formula for safe superintelligence, Hansen said, which I actually liked. From a software point of view, you can say Sophia is a platform like laptop, said Ben Godsell, chief scientist at Hansen Robotics. You can run a lot of different software programs on the very same robot. Sophia has three different control systems according to Godsell. First, timeline editor. Second, sophisticated chat system, and third is OpenCog. We'll talk about these control systems later on. Firstly, take a look on PR stunt. In October 17, humanoid robot called Sophia visited Australia and declared on ABC TV that robots deserve more rights than humans because they has less mental defects. The same robot, Sophia, previously in 2016 told the SSXW festival in Austin, Texas that it would destroy all humans. Now, let me show you the conversation of Sophia and Jim Edwards, which held on Business Insider BI. After that, we will discuss about Jim's conclusion on Sophia and also about the case of ABC interview and how intelligent the Sophia is. In next video, thank you. Here is what Jim Edwards wants about Sophia.